Hi viewers, today's project's materials are here. We need for making baskets with wool, two colors wool, and here is a crochet hook. Its size can be different according to your wool size. So I am using with according to my wool, I am using 1.3. My crochet hooks size is 1.3, and you can use according to your wool. Here is a crochet. We need a crochet for this project, and we need some wool of different colors. I am using two colors, and you can use some other colors. This is the look of my baskets, which is our today's project. These are very cute baskets. It's a totally a new idea. ये बिल्कुल एक नया idea है which I am introducing, and I feel very happy, excited because I like it, I love it, and I must say you would also like it, and you would like to try it, to make it for yourself, for your, even for your kids, for little girls. Your daughters will also like these little baskets. You can look at these are very cute, and I made handles, little handles actually, and this idea became in my mind because when we do our beadwork, our beads run here and there, and today I made these baskets for you. You can look at these baskets. I filled these baskets with beads, and we use during beading our baskets with different colors. These are very cute baskets, little handles. You can make without handles. It's up to you which colors you like. Two color, three color, different colors, same color, one color. You can make with the different styles and with different colors. So here is my creation. I like it, I love it, and I must say you would also like it. So let's start how to make these baskets. I'm not a crochet expert, but I know how, I have some know-how. I'm making with the simple method. We will use crochet and wool, and two colors I'm using in my project. Today's project I'm using two colors. It's up to you which colors you choose for your baskets. This is my crochet hook. First of all, we will make crochet hook size. I, as told, I in the beginning I told you a size is according to your wool. If you is according to my wool which I am using, its size is 1.3. I'm using 1.3, and now we will start our project. First of all, we make a loop in start, and we now we are making stitches of crochet one by one with crochet hook, with purple wool. We are making it. We will make a little round, little circle, little round of our wool in the beginning for our project's base. हम एक छोटा सा राउंड हम एक पार्ट बनाएंगे, और उसको हम इसकी बेस के तौर पे यूज़ करेंगे. ये इसकी बेस है. हमारी जो मिनी बास्केट्स हैं हम बीड्स के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो सिंगल क्रोशे जो है इसका सिंगल स्टिच लिया जाता है. उसमें हमने धागा आगे नहीं करना, तो सिंगल क्रोशे के स्टाइल में हमने ये बनाना है, क्योंकि हमने इसको बिल्कुल क्लोज स्टिचेस लेने हैं. वी हैव टू टेक close stitches and single crochet stitches. We will make these baskets with single crochet stitch, and we will be careful about it that there will कि हमारी जो ये हम बना रहे हैं बास्केट्स इनमें गैप्स ना हों, गैप्स नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमने इसमें बीड्स रखने हैं, सीड बीड्स रखने हैं या जो भी साइज़ बीड्स का आप रखें तो हमारी ये बीड्स जो हैं वो इसमें से बाहर ना आए। तो हमें इसलिए वेरी क्लोज स्टिचेस वी हैव टू मेक वेरी क्लोज स्टिचेस एंड so we are making in single stitch of crochet and single stitch one by one we are taking single stitches. I will again say I am not a big expert of crochet making, but I know basics of crochet and I can make little things. And this idea of mini baskets with crochet and wool for beads, I have thought about it, and I am today showing you how can you make for yourself these baskets. And I suggest to you you must try it, and these are very useful. We need it during our work because our beads when our beads run here and there and create problem for us. So continue this is very simple and easy process I have selected for you. This crochet pattern is so simple, and you have no problem to make these baskets because in every home we have wool, we have crochet, and you can easily arrange these two things for these baskets. If you want to make these baskets you can easily arrange these two things, wool and crochet hook. Only two things you need for this project. Continue single stitch of crochet with crochet hook and one round and second round and then third round. We will change the color of thread. Now you can see, you can look a little circle इन सर्कल शेप एक छोटा सा जो है वो हमारे पास एक पार्ट बन गया है क्रोशे के साथ, हमने वूल के साथ बना लिया है। इसी तरह कंटिन्यू करते हुए हमने इसको और बनाया है और अब हमने सेकंड कलर शुरू किया है इसमें। दूसरा कलर इसका हमने फिरोज़ी कलर लिया है, टर्क्वाइज़ कलर ले लिया है। आप अपने पसंद से कोई से भी दो कलर्स ले सकते हैं, अपनी चॉइस के दो कलर कोई से भी ले सकते हैं और उनसे ये बना सकते हैं। दो कलर से बनाएं, वन कलर से बनाएं, ये इट्स अप टू यू, बट द पैटर्न इज़ द सेम। बहुत आसानी से बनती हैं, बहुत जल्दी बन जाती हैं, हमें तो ये इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है, बट दीज आर वेरी क्यूट। आई लाइक इट, आई लव इट, and I hope you would also like it. These mini baskets are very useful. I am using these baskets during my beading and I feel very relaxed because my beads don't tease me now. They are not running here and there now. They are in my control now. With the help of these little baskets, you can control your beads running here and there. Now you can look these baskets which I have made before this video tutorial for you. Now we will make a little handle of our basket. Our mini basket is containing a handle. Very easily we will make its handle. Single stitches we are taking for making a handle. Now its last step is going on. It's handle of our baskets, mini baskets handle, which we are making for our beads baskets, making with wool, with yarn. Now we will according which length we have to, विच लेंथ जो हमने लेंथ रखनी है वो हमने रखनी है उतनी ही रख के आई थिंक अबाउट 6 or 7 inches or 5 inches you can make it according to your choice. Handles length you can also make it according to your choice. आपको अपनी पसंद के मुताबिक इसको छोटा या बड़ा कर सकते हैं. Now we join the handle on the other corner. हम इसके दूसरी साइड पे हम अपने हैंडल को अब जॉइन कर रहे हैं. इसके लास्ट वाले स्टिचेस चल रहे हैं क्रोशे स्टिच से. हम इसको हम यहाँ पर इसको लास्ट वाले स्टिचेस लगा रहे हैं. सामने की तरफ से हमने करने के बाद we will bring our thread to the back side and here we will finish its process of taking stitches, crochet stitches. We will end here on back side. Now we will trim the extra thread. It's last step. We are trimming the thread. Our basket, mini basket, woolen basket with crochet, we make it. It's ready for our beads now. We will put our beads in these baskets. We will fill these baskets with beads. You can see it. You can look at it's very interesting process. I love it. When I make these baskets, I like it. I love it. These are very cute baskets, and it belongs to a miniature. You can call it. It's an art of miniature art. We can make our little daughters or little girls. They will also like it. As you know, kids like little tiny things, small things. These little baskets, mini baskets are ready to use. I filled these baskets with beads. You can see these are looking cute, but these are very useful, and we can take these baskets help during our beading. We can use these baskets. So I hope you will make it, and I hope today's project, totally different project, you would like it, and kindly subscribe my channel somycrafty. I would be wait for your comments. Now I will say bye, take care, and keep watching my videos on my channel somycrafty. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and bye.